If you want to enable mature content on Telegram, the first thing you need to know is that this option is only available in Telegram Web for this process. It does not show up the same way in the desktop app or the mobile app, so using the web version is the key step here. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact methods step by step so you can change the setting quickly and correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your PC and go to the official Telegram web client. Make sure you are using the official Telegram website and not a third-party page. Once the web client loads, log into your account using your phone number and the confirmation code that Telegram sends you. After you're signed in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps several important account controls, including content filtering options. Now scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content area. In this section, you should see an option labeled Disable Filtering. Check the box or turn on the toggle switch next to it. This is the setting that allows mature content to appear in your Telegram experience. Once you've enabled it, the final step is very important. Restart your Telegram PC application or simply reload the web page so the new setting can sync properly across your account. After that, the change should take effect. If you still do not see the content immediately, give it a moment and make sure you're logged into the same account everywhere. And that's it, you've now enabled mature content on Telegram using the web client. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial.